So, you opened Instagram expecting to see Meta AI and nothing? Yeah, been there. But don't worry, I've got 4 super simple fixes that might just bring it back like magic. Let's get into it. Step 1. Log out and log back in. Yup. The classic turn it off and on again move tech support 101. Step 2. Update the app. If you're using a prehistoric version of Instagram, Meta AI might be hiding out of fear. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and tap Update if it's there. Easy fix. Step 3. Offload the app if you're on iPhone. This one's for the Apple squad. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find Instagram, tap Offload app, then reinstall app. It's like giving the app a spa day cleans things up without losing your stuff. Step 4. Reinstall the app completely. If all else fails, time to go full reset. Delete Instagram like you're breaking up with it. Then run back and reinstall from the App Store or Play Store. Log in again and see if Meta AI finally decides to make an appearance. And that's it. If Meta AI is still MIA, it might not be available in your country yet. But these steps usually do the trick. If this helped, hit that like button, maybe even subscribe if you're feeling fancy. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.